How to become a successful freelancer. Let's get started. Define your niche. Before you start freelancing, it's important to identify what services you can offer and what industries you want to work in. This will help you stand out from the competition and attract the right clients. Consider your skills, experience, and passions when choosing your niche. Build a strong portfolio. As a freelancer, your portfolio is your calling card. It should showcase your best work and highlight your skills and experience. Make sure to include diverse samples that demonstrate your range and ability to adapt to different styles and projects. Market yourself effectively. Marketing yourself as a freelancer is crucial to finding and landing new clients. This can include networking, creating a professional website, and using social media to showcase your work and connect with potential clients. Don't be afraid to reach out to companies or individuals that you would like to work with and pitch your services. With a strong portfolio, a clear niche, and effective marketing, you can set yourself up for success as a freelancer. BunnyDoc, an e-signature solution.